Well, here comes an impressive high-flying talent.
I'm most impressed with his ability to split one name into two.
The following contest is a tag team Extreme Rules match. Introducing first, from Dayton, Ohio, weighing in at 183 pounds, Wes Lee.
In his first 4 months, he won the Dusty Rhodes Classic and the NXT Tag Titles.
It's a meteoric rise in NXT and continues to improve week after week.
The Spanish sensation.
A top name in Europe ready to make a splash in NXT.
And from Madrid, Spain, weighing in at 154 pounds, A-Kid!
Made his WWE debut at 22, won his first title at 24. He's got a bright future. Rarely the bigger man in the ring, but he will never stop fighting.
And more importantly, A-Kid has got the entire WWE Universe by his side.
The competition level has never been higher, but this guy's ready to prove he can hang.
Look who it is.
And at a combined weight of 526 pounds.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe. And there's sure to be plenty of bedlam on tap in this Extreme Rules matchup.
These superstars have nothing but bad intentions in mind for each other, and they have everything and everywhere at their disposal to annihilate one another.
What advice would you give to someone going into an Extreme Rules match?
But there's one thing these matches have taught us: if the creativity usually wins the day, don't just swing a chair. Find a way to make the stipulation work for you.
Straight across the top rope. Ooh, sharp kick.
Suplex. Oh, foot just stomping down.
Straining that trapezius muscle.
Kick to the gut.
Wrapped around into a neck breaker. He's getting a little battered now.
He just barely dodges.
Reversal after reversal. These two are ready for each other. He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
Oh, what a kick.
Elbow drop. Uh-oh.
Elbow drop.
Uh-oh. What a hurricanrana. Just breaking down the opponent. Go behind. Nine. On a stomp. Suplex. And will this be it? And he breaks the count quickly.
Staying in this one.
Wards off that offense from West. Elbow drop on target. Oh, right in there. Out of the ring. What's his plan here? Float over neck breaker. Picture perfect. Getting back into the ring. Ooh. He climbs into the ring. Half and half suplex. Lights out. Fighting back to the counter. Tagging this outside. This could be good.
And now he may be planning this match into his very own home run derby.
Suplex! Cover! Perhaps thinking about what to do next here. Ooh, right to the throat. He's absorbed some damage already. Elbow drop right on point. Oh, right to the kidneys. Golly.
Ooh, kick finds it. Oh, man, meeting the barricade. Catches a punch. Oh, tossed hard into the ring post.
Just like that, A-Kid finds a counter. Elbow drop. Does he get him here? Shoulders up before two.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away. Clearly waiting for that.
Sent straight into the barricade. Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a ragdoll here. Oh, God. Double leg drop. Kick lands. Vicious attack. Looking to end it here. This could be it. Taking this one back to the ring now. And that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here are your winners.
And the winners celebrating together. Great chemistry tonight.
They say when you know, and I know there's no tag team on the roster that can touch these two guys.